So you want to make some cocaine, huh? Let me show you how it's done. First of all, you need to buy some stuff. You need to buy everything under this category. After you've done that, let's start with the pot and carbonator. You want to put the carbonator inside the pot, and before you put the pot on the stove, you need to put a gas in the stove. Now we can put the pot on the stove. There we go. Now just press this blue button and wait till it reaches 100 degrees or higher. I'll see you back then. Alright, we now have reached the temperature of 100. You want to turn off the stove? Oh no, not yet. I forgot one step. You need to wait till the carbonator is turning green. So let's wait for that. Alright, now it's turned green. You want to scan the carbonator just to unfreeze it. Then you bring the pot out of the stove and into the barrel. Now that we have that part done, let's move on. So first you wanna use the leaves you bought and put them in the barrel, like that. Then you want to put the water in the barrel. There we go. Now you just put it in the compressor, like this. Oh no, never mind. You need to put it on. You need to cook it first. My bad. And that's why I bought a second gas canister. Like that. It now should reach 100 temperature again, and then it should start to cook. So we'll be back then. We are now about to reach the temperature of 100. So when you reach the temperature of 100, it should turn green soon. Just give it some time, it needs to cook. There we go, now it's turned green. Now you put it in the compressor. Now you just let that do its thing. It takes like 10 seconds, maybe longer. There we go. Now we need to put it in the refiner. You just go and do like that. And it should take an average of 20 to 30 seconds. Okay, it should be finished now. There we go. Now, I've done this process 5 times because you need 6 cocaine bags to sell it to the seller. And that was the final step. And that's how you make cocaine.